In a previous video, we looked at the bulk actions that you can perform on all of the hosts in a particular host pool through the Nerdio Manager for WVD interface. This functionality is available starting with version 2.6. And in today's video, we're going to look at one specific type of bulk action that can really be used to make any sort of change to the environment in a very automated and powerful way. And that is the ability to run PowerShell on all of the hosts in a particular host pool. So let's look at this as an example. So I'm going to take a look at this app attach demo host pool. I only have one host in it, but imagine, I could have 10 or 100 in it. It sort of all works the same. And what I want to do is I want to take all of the VMs inside of this host pool, and I want to install the latest version of Microsoft Teams and enable the AV redirection or the media optimizations for WVD. So one option to do this would be to go to the desktop image that this host pool is based on, do those changes there, and then re-image my host pool. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is to log into each and every host inside of this host pool and manually perform those steps. Or I could go under hosts, run command, and paste a script that is going to download and install. So uninstall a previous version, download and install the latest version of Teams, and enable the WVD environment media optimizations. I can choose to do this one host at a time, or I could choose to do this all at once. It really depends. So if you imagine I have 10 hosts in this host pool, I can select to do this in 2 groups of 5. I can also choose if I want to notify the users that something is going to happen. So for example, if this is a disruptive type of an operation, I may want to tell the users, hey, we're going to be doing something here, and log off in 10 minutes or log off within 10 minutes. You can do that, or you can simply turn off the messaging option. And in our case, I'm going to disable messaging and click OK. And what you'll notice is there's going to be a new task that's going to be launched here on the bottom that says run PowerShell script on all VMs in the app attach demo host pool. And it will then determine how many VMs are in the host pool and start a task for each and every one of them. And if any VMs are currently turned off, they will be automatically turned on. The command will run on those VMs. And then once the command runs, they're going to be shut back down. So right now, this is running on that VM, which is going to download, install, and configure Teams in a multi-session WVD session host and enable the media optimizations. Obviously, the sky is the limit with what type of customizations you can apply to all the VMs all in one fell swoop from the Nerdio Manager. So really use your imagination for what kind of changes and automations you could apply to your environment with this functionality. Hope you found this interesting and look forward to seeing you in future videos.